Service is the cornerstone of our existence, underpinning everything we do. Without your loyalty and custom, we can't grow our brand and influence. Your success directly links to ours.
Always seeking improvement and evaluating what we're doing today to grow better. Always giving traders the knowledge they need and the tools to succeed from day one. And make the experience fantastic.
We want you to regard us as your fintech partner. We'll be with you every step of the way on your trader journey.
We're not just a broker, but a friend and a partner.
Our vision is to create the best trading experience for you to be successful.
So anyone,
anywhere,
can trade.
Our mission is to offer the best products and services,
build the best technology, and educate you ready for success.
ATFX, a global leader in online trading. What makes ATFX different? Well, it's our core belief that we are here to guide you through the financial markets.
We make it simple for you to trade so that you have time for the important things in life.
Our experts deliver top-tier market news and analysis.
We'll give you the tools and knowledge that you need to succeed.
ATFX is not just a global broker. We're your friend and your trusted partner.
We want you to be the hero of your story.
We strive to build a trading community. What the real difference is, you're the leader and we're your supporters.
Together we strive. Together we can grow and be the best.
ATFX, a global leader in online trading. Service is the cornerstone of our existence, underpinning everything we do. Without your loyalty and custom, we can't grow our brand and influence. Your success directly links to ours.
Always seeking improvement and evaluating what we're doing today to grow better. Always giving traders the knowledge they need and the tools to succeed from day one. And make the experience fantastic.
We want you to regard us as your fintech partner. We'll be with you every step of the way on your trader journey.
We're not just a broker, but a friend and a partner.
Our vision is to create the best trading experience for you to be successful.
So anyone,
Anywhere.
can trade.
Our mission is to offer the best products and services,
Build the best technology and educate you ready for success.
ATFX, a global leader in online trading. What makes ATFX different? Well, it's our core belief that we are here to guide you through the financial markets.
We make it simple for you to trade so that you have time for the important things in life.
Our experts deliver top-tier market news and analysis.
We'll give you the tools and knowledge that you need to succeed.
ATFX is not just a global broker, we're your friend and your trusted partner.
We want you to be the hero of your story.
We strive to build a trading community, but the real difference is you're the leader and we're your supporters.
Together we strive. Together we can grow and be the best.
ATFX, a global leader in online trading. Service is the cornerstone of our existence, underpinning everything we do. Without your loyalty and custom, we can't grow our brand and influence. Your success directly links to ours.
Always seeking improvement and evaluating what we're doing today to grow better. Always giving traders the knowledge they need and the tools to succeed from day one, and make the experience fantastic.
We want you to regard us as your fintech partner. We'll be with you every step of the way on your trader journey.
We're not just a broker, but a friend and a partner.
Our vision is to create the best trading experience for you to be successful.
So anyone,
Anywhere.
can trade.
Our mission is to offer the best products and services,
Build the best technology, and educate you ready for success.
ATFX, a global leader in online trading. What makes ATFX different? Well, it's our core belief that we are here to guide you through the financial markets.
We make it simple for you to trade so that you have time for the important things in life.
Our experts deliver top-tier market news and analysis.
We'll give you the tools and knowledge that you need to succeed.
ATFX is not just a global broker, we're your friend and your trusted partner.
We want you to be the hero of your story.
We strive to build a trading community. What the real difference is, you're the leader and we're your supporters.
Together we strive. Together we can grow and be the best.
ATFX, a global leader in online trading. Service is the cornerstone of our existence, underpinning everything we do. Without your loyalty and custom, we can't grow our brand and influence. Your success directly links to ours.
Always seeking improvement and evaluating what we're doing today to grow better. Always giving traders the knowledge they need and the tools to succeed from day one, and make the experience fantastic.
We want you to regard us as your fintech partner. We'll be with you every step of the way on your trader journey.
We're not just a broker, but a friend and a partner.
Our vision is to create the best trading experience for you to be successful.
So anyone
Anywhere.
can trade.
Our mission is to offer the best products and services,
Build the best technology and educate you ready for success.
ATFX, a global leader in online trading. What makes ATFX different? Well, it's our core belief that we are here to guide you through the financial markets.
We make it simple for you to trade so that you have time for the important things in life.
Our experts deliver top-tier market news and analysis.
We'll give you the tools and knowledge that you need to succeed.
ATFX is not just a global broker, we're your friend and your trusted partner.
We want you to be the hero of your story.
We strive to build a trading community, but the real difference is you're the leader and we're your supporters.
Together we strive. Together we can grow and be the best.
ATFX, a global leader in online trading.
All right, good evening, everyone. Once again, we meet you with another webinar from ATFX. We're here to explain to you about our new tool, ATPREMIER, the ultimate research portal. As you can see in front of you, this is the ultimate research portal. This is the one-stop shop where you can access everything as a trader, as a beginner, as someone that would like to learn, or even if you are a professional. This is where you want to be. This is where you'll be able to benefit from the market and to understand more what's happening in the market. So I'm going to walk you through the 12 privileges that we have, as you can see here in front of you. We're going to go one by one, and so we're going to go one by one and discuss the 12 privileges of ATPREMIER Research Portal. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is talking about Market Live. So if we click on Market Live, we're going to, it's going to open in front of us. You're going to be able to watch a 15-minute or in a 15-minute simply whatever is happening during the, whatever happened during the previous day and we're gonna give you a brief about the market update, what happened during that day in Arabic and in English. So for all type of customers, you'll be able to see fundamental technical analysis. And if you want to go back to that level and go back even 1 day, 2 days before that, you can watch them simply by clicking on it. You click on play, and then you can watch our webinar directly, or our brief, basically. This is our colleague Nadia. She's explaining about, I think this is NASDAQ. So she will basically walk you through literally most of the currency pairs, indices, gold, oil, and you can ask her live questions simply by typing your questions here on the right. So that's regarding Market Live. Now, the nice thing about it, not just that you can flip or jump from a page to another, or from a video to another, or go back in time to understand what did we talk the previous day or the day before that. The nice thing about it is that you can get some weekly insight as well at the same time. That's going to be in English as well. So here, this part is going to show you something a bit more sophisticated as well. Instead of wasting your time and watching a lot of news and jumping from a website to another, you're going to be able to watch from this page alone. As you can see here, if I'm interested in cable or sterling dollar, just click on cable, and then it's going to take you to the part where we're talking about GBP USD, and it will explain to you what's been happening technically, and we're going to talk the direction of the market, how is it going to go, what are the potential, what's the support, the resistance. All those type of questions will be answered by our analyst. Or if you're interested in gold, you jump directly to gold, and you're going to watch the part of the gold analysis, and we're going to see the support, the resistance. If we break that resistance, it's going to take us to which level, and how the market can bounce back as well. So it's going to give you all the possibilities that the market can do and what are the levels for that. Now, that's regarding the Market Live. Now, let's move to the real-time analysis. You can either go back to the main page and click on real-time analysis, or from the tab on the left, you can just choose real-time analysis, and you're going to see an update or an automatic update, let's say, about the latest news that's been happening, and you can filter by the things that you're interested in. So if someone that would like to trade euro dollar for, say, I will just go to currency pairs, click on euro dollar, cable, and these are the things that I'm interested in, and then go to indices and choose the FTSE, NASDAQ, DAX, or mini Dow, let's say, and then proceed, and then click on apply. So once I do that, what's going to happen is this system automatically will filter all those for me, and it's going to give me the news that are related exactly to the pairs that I'm interested in, by time, by chart. You can read more about them by clicking on it. It's going to tell you what moved the DAX. Let's say the Volkswagen basically moved 4.8%. That was one of the movers, and it's going to explain to you technically and fundamentally what's been happening in the market. So this is regarding the analytics and the real-time market analysis. Why do traders usually are interested in the analytics? Simply because they would like to know what are the updates or the live updates about the market, what's been happening at the same time exactly. Now, if I want a better view or a different view technically, I can go to the trading ideas, and I will see the trading idea for 20 October. For 6 October, we had another trading idea where we mentioned the resistance, the risk that you have, the support, and the next target or the next resistance on the dollar yen. That's the weekly chart. This is something that you could have taken advantage of if you've had the opportunity to take a look at that trading idea at that time. Now, the calendar, it's a bit it's like a calendar that you can personalize yourself and you can use based on the things that you are interested in. So first of all, I can go to filter. I will choose the things that I'm interested in. US, European, UK news, and then I can go and choose, let's say, China as well. And to see the effect on all of that, I will choose the high priority. So I don't want to get disturbed with the low impact on the market, the things that does not impact the market a lot. I don't want to take a look at the medium news that will impact the market slightly. I just want the high and the best things that can make big noise in the market. I will choose this week, and then I will see in front of me all the things that will affect the market automatically regarding the US, regarding Canada, Europe, or whatever, or even China. So these are the major news that we're going to have for this week, for today, tomorrow, and after tomorrow, until the weekends. These are news that will affect directly the euro, the dollar, the CAD, or the Canadian dollar, and the Chinese yuan at the same time. Now, as you can see, or as I told you, these are things that you can filter and you can personalize yourself. You can even go by time and search the week or the previous weeks, or even go back in time as much as you want from this page. Now, I'm going to leave the bank signals at the end. Just to give you a small hint, we've been able to make 40% profit on the bank signals. This is something that you can benefit from. These are free signals from the banks that you will be able to benefit from. Let me jump to sentiment indicator just to give you a small brief about that. In the sentiment indicators, you're gonna notice that we split that into three. First of all, we have the institutional sentiment, we have the individual trader sentiment, and we have the technical sentiment. The institutional sentiment, these are the trades that been or the flow of trades that are coming from institutional clients, and how are they taking their positions on the dollar index, on euro, on British pound, on the yen. If you notice, let's say the British pound here, we have a 12% buy on the institutional sentiment. If we move, let's say, to individual traders, let's see if the retail flow is a bit different. Individual traders are basically the retail flow, and we've talked a lot about the retail flow, how is it affecting the market lately. You can notice that 35% buy in the retail flow. Instead, we have only 12% in the institutional flow for cable. This will give us an indication to see how most of the traders, the retail traders, are heading, and how the institutional traders are heading. This will, let's say, purify, or at least make the decision that we're going to take a little bit more clear, or we're going to have filters for the trades before taking them. So if I have an idea, I want to be long on euro, in that case, as a trader, I need to be sure that who's trading with me, because we all know with the flow that we have, every time you get more flow, either from retail or from institutional, you're going to back up your trade, and the market's going to move up higher. So if you have the individuals buying 69%, and then the institutional, in that case, buying 49%, it's still a bit positive. Let's check the technical to see if they confirm that we should buy the euro or not. We'll go to technical, we'll go to 4 hours, and then choose the time frame. Basically, I'm gonna filter and choose, let's say, euro dollar here. Once I choose euro dollar, it's gonna tell me we have a strong buy signal on the euro dollar on the 4 hours chart. So we have 3 that told me sell, 3 neutral, and 4 that told me basically indicated to buy. So in this case, it's a buy signal as well. So this is like a confirmation for me as well. I can definitely jump and see the Forex or stocks indexes, or CFDs or commodities. So to be able to analyze other pairs or other currencies at the same time. So this is for Apple, let's say, commodities. You can click on it, and then it will show you gold. It's a strong sell at the moment. You have 8 signals to sell from the indicators. When we say indicators, what do we mean by that? We mean when you go and put the volume indicators together and then analyze them on a 4-hour chart or 5-minute chart, it depends on whatever you're trading on, then in this case, that indicator will give you a buy signal or a sell signal, or it's going to be a cross on the moving averages or not. So this is what the indicators will show you, and they will give me and tell me like what should I do in my positions, should I buy or sell. Now if we continue and click on the stock analysis, this is where we were able to analyze deeply every single stock and most of the stocks, let's say. And if there's something missing here and you'd like to know a little bit more about, we'd be more than happy to help you. You just text us or talk to your account manager, and we'll do a deep analysis on this. Now, if we click, let's say for an example, Pfizer. If we click on Pfizer, and you're gonna see the way that we treated this share, or the way that we analyzed this share, we're gonna see and we're gonna talk and we're gonna explain to you if this share is, or this stock is undervalued or overvalued, what's the fair value of the stock, and even in percentage wise, the PFE, is it less volatile, more volatile? We're gonna be comparing it to the industry, to the market. Where are we at the moment compared to the same industry, to the pharmaceutical industry? We're gonna be explaining to you in a diagram the details of the PEG ratio, or the PE ratio, or the PB ratio. So all of these stuff, this is like the Warren Buffett style of analyzing stocks before taking a decision if I'm gonna be investing my money in such stock. As you can see, this is a deep analysis. We're going to talk the financial positions, about the financial positions. What are the assets that the stock is holding, or this company is holding? What are the assets? What are the liabilities on the short term and on the long term? So we can be able to build our view on that stock. We will be discussing not just assets and liability. We're going to talk about the equity as well, the dividends, if this stock gives you dividends, yes or no, and compared to the same market or other markets, is this something above the average, below the average? What's going to be the percentage? What should I expect from such a stock? And we're going to give we're going to talk a little bit as well, how are we expecting the future performance for such stock, what's going to be the earnings for this particular stock. And you can move and read anything. You can see Visa, P&G, Citi, whatever stock that you need. Also, you can search for the stock here. So there are some stocks that it does not appear on the first page. You're just searched by the name, and then you'll be able to find it. If you cannot find it, or if you want something a bit more regarding any particular stock, would be more than happy to analyze it and send it back to you. Now, the self-educational hub, this is something that most of the new traders would be more interested in. I'm talking about this part in particular, the things that you can see in front of you. These are videos, short videos, that will explain to you what does it mean Forex, why do we need to trade Forex, what are the currency pairs, what's the Pip, what does it mean spread, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. That's something, that's for someone that fancies watching videos or would love to listen to some videos and watch them at the same time. Now, if you'd like to read a little bit more, you're going to go to the ebook, and from here you're going to notice that we've explained literally everything: introduction to Forex, the basics of Forex, fundamental, technical, and how you can put everything together at the end by creating a trading strategy. So simply you just click, it's like a booklet, just by a simple click you can read all about it, and you understand a bit more about trading. Keep in mind, this is something very simple that you will be able to generate an additional income for you, no matter what you work, no matter what you do. It doesn't need a lot of time. This is something that you will be able to benefit from. Now, the global economic indicator, this part will show you basically the common names, or the things that you're going to see in the calendar that I showed you previously, like the GDP. What does it mean? What's the formula for the GDP? Why do I care when we have the GDP of a certain economy or a certain country? Why the CPI is so important? How does it affect the inflation? What's the formula for that? So all of these stuff, you're going to see them here in the global economic indicator. And if you'd like to build your own trading strategy, or you want to take an idea about the trading strategies that are out there, all you need to do is go to trading strategies, choose the time frame, H1, 4 hours, whatever you like, or whatever you have the time to trade a bit more, and simply choose the strategy that you would like to see in front of you. You click, let's say, on EMA, stochastic, and RSI, and it will explain to you and it will tell you what's the used EMA here. It's 510, the stochastic 1433, the RSI 1470.30, and then it will tell you you're going to open a long position when the 5 EMA crosses the 10 EMA. So that's the first indication. The second part, it's going to be the stochastic line are directed up and not in the overbought zone, not above the 80 mark. The RSI is above the 50. So when you have the three of them confirming the same like the cross here on the moving average and on the RSI and on the stochastic, this is a buy signal. So this is where you buy, and then it will explain to you. You open a short position when you have those. Basically, it's going to be the reversal of whatever we mentioned at the top. And where do you put your stop loss? Where do you put your take profit? So close the long position when the stochastic rises again above the 70 mark. So this is a strategy that's going to give you the entry and the exit with the stop loss, with the take profit, everything all together. You can just apply it. It's very simple. All you need to do, you go to your MT4, you open your account, and then you just drag and drop from the indicators, and then you test that strategy. You do back testing. You can create it as an expert advisor if that's something that you're gonna like, or that that's a strategy that you love. And there are a lot of strategies that you can choose here in front of you. As you can see in front of you, there's a lot of strategies that you can choose from. So without spending a lot of time on the trading strategies, I'm gonna give you the time to walk through that. And if you have any question, I'd be more than happy to answer them. You just write them for me, or you can text us at the end, or talk to your relationship manager later on. We can do a Zoom call and explain a bit more for you. Now, the glossary here, it's something that you're going to be using, same as the global economic indicator. If there's a technical word that starts with M that you'd like to understand, what does it mean margin? What does it mean margin call? Market depth? So all of these are explained here, and you will see there's a lot of things to learn. So this is like a small dictionary for traders, for the technical words that most of the traders they use. And if there's something that you hear maybe on TV or on the way we explain, you can just use that and go to that website, and from one portal you can read anything and understand anything. Now, if we go to the dedicated technical analyst service, this is a service where, as a trader, you'd love, let's say, to talk with one of our technical analysts, and you'd like to know, hi, let's say, I would like to know a bit more about gold support and resistance. So one of our technical analysts will get back to us. They will send us, they will tell us with the chart, or with the support, with the resistance, let's say trend, whatever, and all this stuff. If you wait for a couple of minutes, they will do the analysis and they will send it back to you. Now, I'm gonna jump to the next page, and then we get back to this. So when we go to the part where we have the coaching part, or one-to-one coaching, this is where you're gonna see our analyst, Rami, myself, Nadia, and Muhammad. So with the experience that we have, what do we do? You can book a certain meeting. Let's say I wanna book a meeting with Nadia for 15 minutes. I wanna do a Zoom meeting or a call or whatever it is, to ask her a few questions on, let's say, the next Friday. Okay, I would like to do that at 11. Confirm. My name is Dominic. Okay, Dom at ATFXGM.com, and interested in gold and WTI. Okay, I don't have any guests. Schedule event, and that's it. Okay, I need to log into my email, but let's say I'm already logged in, you'll be able to do that. Okay, so that's how you book. Okay, it's been added actually, it's confirmed. Lovely, perfect. So I just booked a meeting with Nadia. She's gonna get back to me by accepting the meeting or rescheduling depending on her time or the way she'd like to address this meeting. She'd prepare all the data and then get back to me with that. Now, if I'm gonna move to the to another privilege that we have, the risk and money management tool. This is something very important. Why? Because simply it's going to help you understand the correlation. This is the historical volatility. The correlation, let's say between euro and sterling dollar, with the volatility that happens, you're going to see that the sterling dollar is the blue and the euro dollar is simply the, this is green, I think, or whatever. Dollar yen, if I can add it to that, I will just see the correlation between those three in this case and see how they move together. If they crossed, what does it mean? How does that affect the price? We can do a certain or a total analysis based on that. I can add gold on this. I can remove this and that, and I will see gold and euro dollar, how they've been moving lately. Now, and definitely you can change the date to see year till date, 6 months, 3 months. You can see the period, if it's 4 hours, 1 day, weekly, and you can even change the value range of the chart as well. Now, the pivot point calculator, instead of going and searching and doing the calculation yourself, we've done that for you, and all you need to do is simply just put the value of the chart and choose the period that you'd like to analyze in front of you, and then it will give you automatically the support and the resistance for the current pair that you have here in front of you. So let's say I would like to choose something else. Let's say I want, where is XAU? Okay, I can't see XAU USD, should be somewhere. Let's say US crude. It's here, gold. So that's gold. And these are the support and resistance for the gold according to the pivot 30 or the daily chart. Fibonacci calculator, all I need to do is simply just enter the high, let's say 1812, and the low, 1790, let's say, and then do calculate, and automatically it's going to give me the points with the golden ratio on the uptrend or on the downtrend. If there's any retracement, what's going to be the ratio as well? What are the numbers as well? This is an automatic calculator and indicator that will help me define my stop losses and take profits as well. Now, the profitability of an interest rate hike in the US, you're going to be able to see the probability chart in front of you, the interest rate compared to the probability of changing the interest rate for the past, let's say this is since 2016, and how the market moved here in front of you. And you can pin the chart, you can do a download for the image if you're interested to use it in one of your presentations, or you'd like to explain that to someone. The deal size calculator, this is something that some of the traders would like to use or should use basically. How do I use this? Simply, this is a risk management tool. When you have an account or when you start an account with $100,000, okay, $100,000 account, you open this account and then you started, you said I want to take 1% risk on each trade, and I want my stop loss to be, I don't know, like 50 pips. You do the calculation, it will tell me automatically, it will do the calculation for me to see the recommended lot size that I'm going to be taking on a $100,000 account if I want to risk $1,000 or 1% on that. Now, if I want to risk, let's say 5% on that, then automatically it will tell me how many lots I need to take. If I'm going to take here 100 on one, then automatically it will change. This is something that you should use. Now, why am I saying this is something that you should use? Because simply after doing a couple of trades, your equity is going to change. Now it's going to become, let's say, $112,000. Okay, so If I'm gonna still take the 1% and 100 pip stop loss, in this case, I need to open a bit more. Instead of one lot, I need to open 1.12 lots. And that's something, this is where you build your trades based on the account size that you have in front of you. And if your account now becomes 98,000, in this case, it does not mean that you need to take the same risk or the same lot size, which is one lot. This is something very important, and most of the traders, they do a lot of mistakes using that. Now, Forex Calculator, this is where I can choose the leverage that I have on my account. I choose the lot size. Let's say I want to trade, I don't know, euro cable, and I want to see what's the margin for euro sterling if I have a margin of the leverage of 400 and I open one lot. What's going to be the margin used in this case? How do I use this, or why do I need this? Simply, let's say I have, I don't know, 50 or 20 trades open in front of me, and I have dollar, yen, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, or whatever currencies in front of me. I want to see, just if I close the dollar yen alone, how much does it? How much is it gonna change from my leverage if I have 1.5 or I have 15 lots? I just click on this, and then it will tell me I would be releasing 3,750 if I close the dollar yen trades from the used margin in front of me. The stop loss calculator will give me exactly like where do I need to put my stop loss. Let's say the account size is $125,000, and the risk is the risk that I'm going to take on my account is 1%, and I would like to trade one lot. So it will tell me my stop loss should be 125 pips away from my account. The cost of point for one lot is $10, and this is the pip value basically. And if I choose something else, let's say dollar CAD, and do the calculation, now you're going to notice the cost is different. If I choose dollar yen and do the calculation, the cost is different, and my stop loss changed as well. So all of this is very important when I would like to choose my stop loss, take profit, and all these points. Now, profit and loss calculator, this is where I can put my open trade, the trade that I would like to open, where I would like to close it, and then choose the lot size if I would like to buy or sell, and then it will tell me how many pips is different between the open price and the close price, and it will tell me how much am I gonna profit eventually from the market. Let's say if I would like to sell from the 16 and take my profit at 14.25, calculate. Automatically it will tell me 179 pips, that's a profit of 1795. The Pip Calculator, that's the Pip value calculator. I will just choose the currency, and then one lot is 8.753 on euro yen. On dollar yen is a bit different at the moment, on sterling yen as well. So this is something, I'm choosing yen all the time, that's why it's the same. So euro cable, now that's 13.79. These are stuff that you need to notice. Why? Because if I have a stop loss of 10 pips or 20 pips on a certain currency, and the pip value is $13 or $14, in this case, this will affect me a bit more. Like on 10, that's $137 or $138 instead of $100. The losses that I had in mind if I would like to take those losses. So this is regarding the risk management, or the tools that you can use to define your stop loss, take profit, pip value, the trades that you're going to be taking in your account. We created something that's called Shares Portfolio Doctor. The Shares Portfolio Doctor, that's something that we have for our VIP clients. It's gonna be coming soon online. As you can see here in front of you, online coming soon, but we have that in-house, so you can call us to discuss this. Let's say you're someone that you have $100,000 and you're interested to trade in some tech stocks, industrial, and you want to get some dividends at the same time. Or maybe you're someone that would like to trade in value stocks, and you want to trade for the long term, or you want to trade for the medium term. So we're going to build a portfolio for you based on those numbers that you gave us, or those data, the data that you gave us, and you're going to tell us what's going to be the risk, and we do the weight of each share, how much you should be trading in that share, and you can just go to your platform and trade all of these and keep them, or maybe manage them every now and then. But this will not take a lot of time, because most of the traders sometimes they don't have the time to trade daily, or they would like to invest on longer term. Now, the macro strategy, this is also coming soon. This is going to give you an idea where we are at the moment from a macroeconomy perspective. Where are we from the cycle? Are we on an inflation, deflation? What's going to happen next? All the fundamental analysis that you'd like to see about the market. The copy trader, which is the last one, as simple as it seems, or as simple as we say it, it's copy trader. So you're going to be copying the trades of the top traders that we have, or top money managers, or top account managers, and you'd be seeing their performance, you'd be defining the risk, and you'd be seeing what's going to be the allocation and all those details. Now, let me go back to the bank signals, which is the most important part for me, or the things that really makes a difference and where you can make the real money. So in the bank signals here in front of you, you're going to notice we have signals, performance, insight, and forecast. Signals, these are the new signals here that got generated. As you can see, these are placed signals, and the current price. You will see the distance. What's the distance from the stop loss? When did we open this trade? This is October 20. All of them opened on October 20. This one on October 19. And these are the newest trades that got generated from Credit Suisse. Now, why do we call them bank signals? Because simply these signals, they are given from the research department of the banks. So that's why we're giving them so much value. That's why this is how the dealing desk inside the bank trades. And we all know that the banks are like the best traders out there. Like the banks, most of the time, they never lose. So because of that, we said, okay, let's replicate this and give that to our client. Why? Because we care about our clients. We want our clients to make money. We want you to make money to be able to generate more volume, more income, because this is the way that we make money at the same time. So when you're trading with us, you'll be able to trade directly with the banks, and you'll be able to make some money from the market and benefit as a side income or passive income, or however you want to call it. And even if you don't know how to trade, this is the way that you should use. So you can go to the floating orders, let's say here in front of you. You're going to see these are the orders that are active at the moment. These are the open orders. As you can see, it's opened, opened, opened. That is adjusted. When we say adjusted, what does that mean? That means that the bank adjusted their stop loss or their take profit. So let's say those trades, this one is let's say the P&L is plus 41 pips. This one plus 8 pips, minus 13 pips, plus 20 pips, plus 25 pips, plus 187 pips, plus 69, plus 5.6. These are the trades that are open at the moment. These are good trades that the banks are benefiting, and we could have been like if you took those trades, you would benefit from these. Now the closed trades, you're going to notice that there are some closed trades. Look, we have some losses here, minus 15 pips, minus 111 pips. This was closed almost at the same price. And this is plus 1 pip, and this is minus 43. So keep in mind one thing: it's not always winning trades. This is something realistic. You can be losing or winning at the same time. But what we care about, that on the first 6 months we were able to generate around 40% profit on a $100,000 account. Why? Because simply we just filtered from the performance. Let me tell you what we did. If you take a look at the performance here, let's say from 2021, from January 2021 till now, we update, and we're gonna put, and what we're gonna see here in front of us, these are the currencies that the banks traded. So you're gonna see that the top performer is dollar yen, after that euro dollar, Aussie New Zealand, sterling dollar, euro CAD, and dollar Swiss. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 top traded currencies. We can take, let's say, the top 4. Dollar yen made 966 pips. Here we made 699. Here 686, 667. So just if we take the top 4 or top 5 currencies, and then you compare them to the top 4 or top 5 banks, imagine if you merge those together, what's going to be the result of your trades. So that's from Jan till October again, 2021. The top performer is Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, JP Morgan, BNP, and I think these are the 4 if we're going to choose the top 4, the same as the previous page. And if I take just the top 4 here, you're going to notice that Morgan Stanley made 1,479 pips profit from the beginning of this year. Or maybe you're going to choose to say, okay, you know what? I don't care what Morgan Stanley is going to trade, or I don't care what Bank of America is going to trade. I want to trade with those 2 banks or with those 4 banks. This is how I'm going to maximize the profitability in my account. So this is the way that you can be trading by clicking on performance and reading the getting updated on the latest pips that we've made or the system made, basically. Now, if we go to Insight, you're going to see week, month, and 3 months. You're going to see the comments that's been added, why we've seen those trades, or what's the research behind the trades that are taken here. So everything here is in front of you. You can go to month, you can go to 3 months, and you can read the insight from the banks directly on each day. And this is updated. You can go back in time, 25, 24, and you can read as much as you want on the things that you are interested in the most. Now, the forecasts, if you click on that, you're going to notice that you will see here in front of you, based on the banks filtered by the currency itself. You can here click on the currency and choose the currency that you'd like. So based on the currency and the banks here in front of you, you can see like JP Morgan expecting 1.14 on euro dollar, and after that 1.13, 1.12. Instead, BNP Paribas, they're expecting a hike on the euro dollar on 117, 116, 115. Now, why do I care about this? Because simply, this is how the banks are looking at the currency that I'm interested in, or the currency that I would like to trade. So I will go back to the average at the end, and I will say, okay, you know what? If the average is around 1.17 from now till next year, so I know myself, if I'm trading below that by far, like if I'm trading 1.13, 1.12, maybe it's a good opportunity for me to buy. And I would compare that with the updated numbers here. And I would say, okay, fine, if I keep my position for a couple of months, basically I can benefit from the whole thing and make some good money. That's a long-term strategy. Or even you can see the average if you're someone that trades and buy goods from Europe or pharmaceutical, you trade with a pharmaceutical company or something like that. You would say, okay, fine, I spend 5 million euro per year, and the 5 million euro, maybe the best time to exchange that is going to be around that time. Or you can open an account with us, you can hedge 5 million, and every time you buy something, you just release the hedge by that. So you fix the price at that certain or particular price. Now you can filter as well by bank instead of filtering by currency. So you will see, okay, what did Barclays say about all the currencies here in front of you, and you will see the numbers that are given from that. So as I told you, ATPREMIER is the ultimate research portal. So this is the place where you can come and you can literally find everything in front of you. You don't need to go to any other website. You don't need to jump from a place to another. From the same place, you can even trade. So when I take a bank signal here or a signal that I have in front of me, I just click on Web Trader and then put my account number, and then put my password, the server that I'm trading on, and then I click OK, and I can trade directly or live on this Web Trader here in front of me. So if you have any question, I'd be more than happy to answer all those questions. I hope I already answered them. Also, you can contact us on our emails, on our numbers, and we're looking forward to make other webinars for you. We're going to do an Arabic webinar as well tomorrow regarding ATPREMIER. You can watch it as well, and hope to see you soon, guys. It's been a pleasure as always to have you with us. Trade safely, and if you need any help, we'd be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much, and have a good night.
makes ATFX different? Well, it's our core belief that we are here to guide you through the financial markets.
We make it simple for you to trade so that you have time for the important things in life.
Our experts deliver top-tier market news and analysis.
We'll give you the tools and knowledge that you need to succeed.
ATFX is not just a global broker, we're your friend and your trusted partner.
We want you to be the hero of your story.
We strive to build a trading community, but the real difference is you're the leader and we're your supporters.
Together we strive. Together we can grow and be the best.
ATFX, a global leader in online trading. Service is the cornerstone of our existence, underpinning everything we do. Without your loyalty and custom, we can't grow our brand and influence. Your success directly links to ours.
Always seeking improvement and evaluating what we're doing today to grow better. Always giving traders the knowledge they need and the tools to succeed from day one. And make the experience fantastic.
We want you to regard us as your fintech partner. We'll be with you every step of the way on your trader journey.
We're not just a broker, but a friend and a partner.
Our vision is to create the best trading experience for you to be successful.
So anyone,
anywhere,
can trade.
Our mission is to offer the best products and services,
build the best technology, and educate you ready for success.
ATFX, a global leader in online trading. What makes ATFX different? Well, it's our core belief that we are here to guide you through the financial markets.
We make it simple for you to trade so that you have time for the important things in life.
Our experts deliver top-tier market news and analysis.
We'll give you the tools and knowledge that you need to succeed.
ATFX is not just a global broker. We're your friend and your trusted partner.
We want you to be the hero of your story.
We strive to build a trading community, but the real difference is you're the leader and we're your supporters.
Together we strive. Together we can grow and be the best.
ATFX, a global leader in online trading. Service is the cornerstone of our existence, underpinning everything we do. Without your loyalty and custom, we can't grow our brand and influence. Your success directly links to ours.
Always seeking improvement and evaluating what we're doing today to grow better. Always giving traders the knowledge they need and the tools to succeed from day one. And make the experience fantastic.
We want you to regard us as your fintech partner. We'll be with you every step of the way on your trader journey.
We're not just a broker, but a friend and a partner.
Our vision is to create the best trading experience for you to be successful.
So anyone,
anywhere,
can trade.
Our mission is to offer the best products and services,
build the best technology, and educate you ready for success.
ATFX, a global leader in online trading. What makes ATFX different? Well, it's our core belief that we are here to guide you through the financial markets.
We make it simple for you to trade so that you have time for the important things in life.
Our experts deliver top-tier market news and analysis.
We'll give you the tools and knowledge that you need to succeed.
ATFX is not just a global broker. We're your friend and your trusted partner.
We want you to be the hero of your story.
We strive to build a trading community. What the real difference is, you're the leader and we're your supporters. Together we strive. Together we can grow and be the best. ATFX, a global leader in online trading. Service is the cornerstone of our existence, underpinning everything we do. Without your loyalty and custom, we can't grow our brand and influence. Your success directly links to ours.
Always seeking improvement and evaluating what we're doing today to grow better. Always giving traders the knowledge they need and the tools to succeed from day one. And make the experience fantastic.
We want you to regard us as your fintech partner. We'll be with you every step of the way